Hey folks, winds picked up across the valley this afternoon when that secondary front pushed through, and with that wind gust even now still 25, 35 miles an hour, 43 in Port Isabel. We had 44, 45 in Harlingen an hour or so ago, so it's still gusty. They should diminish as we go through the evening hours, but the next hour or two may still be a lot like this. Now, temperature-wise, it's hot. 89 in McAllen, 85 Weslaco. But, you know, if you're just sitting there with windows rolled down in the shade, it feels pretty good because the humidity has dropped so much. Dew points are really low, and that will allow tonight's low temperatures to fall into the 50s valley-wide. So clear and cool as the winds become light as the night goes on. Then tomorrow, I'll take a look. Back over the upper 80s again, but again, humidity's low, the wind not so strong, a lot of sunshine. Should be a pretty day. At the island, the cool spot, 78. Everybody else in the 80s across the valley. Normal high now for this time of year, middle of the month of April is 86, or 87, 88, 88. So just a little bit above average. And we're going to stay in that ballpark really through the next 7 days. No real changes. Satellite and radar, it is all gone. All those showers that came through early this morning have moved out. Rainfall totals all less than 1/10 of an inch, most about half of that, maybe even 500. And overnight tonight, it's just quiet. During the daytime tomorrow, we start cool, but we end up sunny and gorgeous. A very nice day. Tomorrow night, clear and relatively cool again. And then Saturday, a lot of sunshine yet again. And Sunday, we do it all over again. I think Sunday maybe a little breezier and patchy clouds, but still a very nice day across the region. We see no rain all the way into and through the Easter weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all should be dry. The rest of Texas, it's a little cooler up north now. 71 in Dallas, 75 in Austin. San Antonio checks in at 76 while we are still in the 80s down here. There goes all the rain moving out. We had a couple of bands of showers come through with that front early this morning. Here's the secondary front right here. That pushing through, giving us a strong northerly winds right now. Everything pushes away. We just turn less humid over the next day or two. Should be really nice with that northerly wind pushing in during the daytime tomorrow. This is noon tomorrow with just nothing out there but blue skies. Not a lot of isobars, these lines of equal pressure. So Saturday, not all that windy yet. Sunday, we start to pack the isobars in. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 across Texas. That means that southeasterly wind picks up big time on Sunday. That'll bring the humidity back in as well, but no rain yet. I think Monday's still a dry day. Even Tuesday may be a dry day, but eventually this front ends up stalled in the middle of Texas. An upper air disturbance comes across the top of that. Looks like there's a decent chance for some rain the middle part of next week. The model's at odds about just how much we're talking about, but at least the potential is there for some rain Tuesday, Wednesday, into Thursday probably. So we'll have to watch that. Keep an eye on it. At the coast, winds out of the northwest this evening, and then tomorrow out of the east at about 5 to 15, a light chop on the bay. UV is extreme. Swellcraft advisory expires at 7. A moderate risk of rip currents. There are 3 tides with seas running 2 to 7 feet. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight: clear, breezy, cooler, 55. Nice for a low. Tomorrow we're back to 87 after a cool start. Plenty of sunshine, not very humid at all. Saturday, very similar. Temperatures start in the 50s, warm into the 80s. Sunday, a little more humidity, a little windy, back up to 88. And then next week, we're kind of back into the upper 80s with a chance of a shower, thunder shower by the middle part of next week. But boy, the next 3 days just look terrific. Weather's great here. Pretty nice up in central Texas as well. That's where our Joelle Villanueva is with the state soccer tournament. Joelle, take it away.